Warriors of the Timurid! We ride with the dawn's light to claim our destiny! Forward, my army! Let the earth tremble, follow! Amen.
In the shadows of chaos, a man was rising. From the tribes of Transoxiana, he began to gather warriors, Lloyd, Amir Timur. His enemies underestimated him, but battle after battle, he proved them wrong. Cities fell, armies shattered, and a new empire was being forged in fire. From the heart of Central Asia, he marched fell. The city of India trembled. From Samarkand to the edges of the known world, his name